Hey folks, so today I got the iRobot Roomba 551 model. This one has the AeroVac system on it, and the battery is brand new, extended version. So it's got a good long lasting battery. This Roomba works great. Everything has been tested, make sure everything works correctly. And I'll show you quickly what I got here included. So first of all, I got the brand new extra side brush, brand new filter, extra. That is just a manual, in case anybody needs it. I got two auto virtual walls, which do require two C-size batteries each, and they should last about 6 months with them. You just throw it to auto, and basically that's all you gotta do. You don't have to turn off or anything, because their Roomba will communicate together with it. Here we got the charger or power adapter, a docking station. It's in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, let me know. And here's the Roomba itself. This Roomba is used, it's not brand new, so it'll show a lot of signs of use, like in the bumper area. In the pictures you guys can see a little more detail though. Alright, I'm going to flip it over so you guys see the bottom side. So here we got a pretty good condition, 3-legged side brush. And that front wheel is almost like new, which is in great shape. The model number right there, 551. I'm going to remove the vacuum bin. So this is the AeroVac vacuum bin. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. And the brushes also have been cleaned and disinfected. And the gears on this clean head module also have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. Alrighty. So you're gonna get a brand new battery with this. Right now I have a used battery there just for testing, just to show you guys it's gonna work. So here it is. And I'll do a straight run, that way you guys can see that the bumper sensors work correctly. So everything works great, so here's a straight run. Alright, thanks for watching.